The following video covers the use of the direction and rotation tool for piping in AVEVA Everything 3D 2.1. The direction and rotation tools provide essential functionality to the user when modifying components. The direction tool allows the user to direct the component using one of the 6 axes. The direction text box is updated to suit. The user can enter values directly in the text box if required. The direction tool also includes a plane selection to achieve a non-orthogonal direction. The appearance of the direction tool will change. Depending on the plane selected, the angle of the component may be changed. To return to the default direction tool display, click the default direction button or press the escape key. The appearance of the display will vary depending on the plane selected. The default orientation of the direction tool can be changed by right-clicking and making a selection. The rotation tool is accessed by clicking the Rotate Component button. The rotation is applied by making an incremental angle selection. A graphical aid is present on the 3D view to help the selection. Because these are incremental values, clicking the 0 angle will return the component to its original orientation. To return to the direction tool, click on the Direct Component button. Not all components can be modified using the direction tool. For example, a valve and flange arrangement must be edited using the rotation tool. When rotating flanged components, a bolt hole angle/default angle mode can be used. With the bolt hole angle in use, the rotation of the component is restricted by the pitch of the bolt holes. These flanges do not need to rotate. Clicking the Change to Default Angle button allows the selection of angles that may not suit the pitch of the bolt holes. If one of these angles is selected, a Confirm form appears. Clicking the Yes button will also rotate the flanges to suit the angle selected. Note, if the user is unsure if there is a misalignment between the bolt holes, the Connect to Previous function can be used to rectify this.